Good morning all of you. Today I am going to explain you exercise 14.4 question number 1. Here daily income is given in the form of class interval and number of worker are given in the form of frequency. Daily income is given 100 to 120, 120 to 140 like this, and number of workers are these. Now to draw less than type of object, first we have to change this class interval into in the form of limit. As we have to draw less than type of object, so we will here take less than type of limit, then less than 120, 140, 160 and 180 and 200 will come. This will come this side, and frequency will be changed into cumulative frequency. First will be 12 and the next one will be, in 12 you will add 14, then it will come 26. In 26 when 8 will be added, 34 will come, and 34 when 6 will be added, 40 will come, and 40 when 10 will be added, it will come 50. Now we have to draw the algebra of it. To draw the algebra of it, we need graph paper. On x-axis we take always limit, whether it is less than limit or more than limit. Now here we will write down limit 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. As we are starting from 100 here, so we will mark here kink, and the cumulative frequency will be taken on y-axis. Now first observation is at in 120 number of worker are 12, 120 from x-axis and 12 from y-axis. Wherever they meet, we will mark the point here. In the second one at 140 number of worker are 26, 140 from this side and 26 from y-axis. Wherever they meet, then mark the point there. Similarly for 160, 34 will be marked, and then for 180, 40 will be marked, 180 from this side and 40 from y-axis. Wherever they are meeting, then we will mark the point here. And then at 200, 50 will be marked. Suppose we have to take out the median from this object. So total number of the frequency are 50, then we will do n by 2. Total number of the frequency are represented by n, then we will do half of it, then 50 half is 25. From 25 we will draw a line parallel to x-axis, and then wherever it will intersect at this object, from that point we will draw the line downward side to y-axis, and the point at which it is meeting on x-axis, that will be median. Here the median is 140. This type object is called less than type of object. Now in question number 2, here it is given to you less than limit is given, and you have to draw again less than object and confirm the answer by formula also. To draw the less than type of object, we are having this data, nothing has to be changed as we have drawn the object in the question number 1. Same way, limit will be taken on x-axis and frequency will be, cumulative frequency will be taken on y-axis. Then we will plot these, and then as the total number of the frequency, here it is given to you 35. Half of the 35 will be 17.5. Then from y-axis we will see where the 17.5 is there. We will draw a line parallel to x-axis, and wherever it is intersecting on the curve, from that point we will draw a line parallel to y-axis. Here it is drawn. Now the median has come this one. Now from algebra we have taken out the median. Now to check by the formula, this class limit will be changed into class interval. First one will be below 38 as it is given, then as the gap of 2 is given, the next one class interval will be 38 to 40, then 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, and then 46 to 48, and then 48 to 50, 50 to 42. Here the frequency which was given here, it was a cumulative frequency, then it will be written in this column, cumulative frequency will be written here, and then from this cumulative frequency we will change to frequency. First will remain 0. Now from the lower side we will subtract the upper side frequency. From 3 we will, when we will subtract 0, then it will remain 3. Now from 5 when we will subtract 3, then it will come 2. Similarly from 9 when we will subtract 5, it will come 4. Then from 14 when 9 will be subtracted, it will come 5. And then from 28 when 14 will be subtracted, 14 will come. And then from 32 when 28 will be subtracted, it will come 4. And 35 from 35 and 32 will be subtracted, it will come 3. Here the total number of the frequency, if we will check it, it should come 35. This sum of this frequency and the last frequency of cumulative should match. If it is matching, then it will be correct. Now again we have to take out the median class as we have done in the previous exercise. To take out the median class, we will do n by 2. 35 when divided by 2, it will be 17.5. 17.5 to check the median class more than 17.5, which is in cumulative frequency, is 28. So this one will be, we will circle this one will be median class. Now here lower limit will be, median class will be 46 to 48, lower limit will be 46, and frequency will be used 5, and cumulative frequency will be used 14. And by putting the value in this formula and solving it, and the answer is going to come 46.5. Here also in the graphical representation, answer was also 46.5. So we can verify the answer. And the last question of it, here you have to change this into more than type of limit. More than type, here you have to change it to more than type. Again the class interval are given, and to change it to more than type, here the number of farmers are given in the same way, and then frequency to change it to more than type, then first we will write more than 50, then more than 55, then 60, then 65, then 70, and then 75. This lower limit will come for the more than case. And here frequency will be, total number of the frequency will come on the upper side. Total number of the frequency is given 100, and the next one will be 98. How 98 will come? From 100 when 2 will be subtracted, then it will be 98. And from 98 when 8 will be subtracted, then 90 will come. Similarly from 90 when 12 will be subtracted, then 78 will come. From 78 when 24 will be subtracted, then 54 will come. And from 54 when 38 will be subtracted, it will come 16. Now more than type of algebra, again we have to take the limit on x-axis as we have done in the previous question, and on y-axis you have to take frequency, cumulative frequency. Here the frequency in case of more than type, frequency which will come, that will be in the form of descending order. Now here again we will mark in the same manner. On x-axis more than limit will be taken, and on y-axis frequency in descending order will be taken, and again we will mark in the same manner as we have done in the previous question. In 50 we will see 100, 50 from x-axis, 100 from y-axis, and similarly in 55 98 will be marked, and then for 40, then for more than 60, then it will be marked 90, and similarly all the points will be marked, and wherever these points are there, then label them. Firstly write down the value of x-axis and then value of y-axis. And if we want to take out the median of it, again we will do half of the total number of the frequency. Here total number of the frequency is 100, then half of it will be 50. Here 50 is there. From here we will draw a line parallel to x-axis, and then wherever it is intersecting in the algebra, from there we will draw the downward side line. The point at which it is intersecting on x-axis will be median.